Okay, g'day everybody. Tony from Full Track. We have Benny, the inventor of the Full Track Trowel machine, is now going to demonstrate using a spanner how to change 1-bolt blade system on the Full Track. Go ahead, Benny. Show us how.
Thank you. Full track power trowel hums, a beast so smooth.
So Benny, 1 bolt changes this blade.
10-second blade change.
This is the uniqueness and the patent on this machine. Quick, easy. So of an employee, safety, there's no cutting of the hand, sharp blades. Okay, we're about 10 seconds now into this. Put it back on. So all up, you can change a blade in less than 30 seconds. No cutting yourself, no heat, not having to turn the machine over. And there's your blade. It's almost on. Benny, you're too slow. That took 30 seconds, my friend.
With one blade swapped in seconds.
The fast way, okay? Let's see your fast way. And how's that going to be demonstrated? Cordless drill. Fantastic. Let's have a look at the cordless drill. Well, you took 30 seconds with a spanner, about 35 seconds with a shifter. Let's see how good you can do with a cordless drill. This is going to be the fastest blade change on a trowel in the history of power trowels. Let's have a look. Go.
It answers every call. The Full Track Power Trowel, the mightiest of them all.
Well, Benny, I've got to admit, that was the fastest I've ever seen. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
To change a blade. Your invention works. Fantastic. Thank you very much for that demonstration. We'll be putting this, ladies and gentlemen, this is on our Full Track website. Please share with all your concrete, cement, formworker friends. Thank you.
A testament of pride. We salute the trusty trowel as we smooth